It's January 2020 and I'm at the Alexandra Palace in London. Alexandra Palace was the home of the world's first high-definition television broadcast in 1936. But I guess in those days, high definition was probably 4 pixels by 3 pixels. Every January, Alexandra Palace hosts the Model Engineering Show, and that's why I'm here. So let's have a look around and see what's interesting. So this is an example of a nice G-scale layout. And a nice little train full of logs. Although there's a pantograph setup, it's not actually powered. Here's an example of live steam. Here's a nice big scale traction engine, and it's 1/6 full size. This is a large 5-inch gauge BR standard class 7 locomotive, and you can see the high quality of the model engineering and the detailing. This is a 1950s BR Mark 1 coach, and it's complete with passengers.
Holding the engine, keep opening and shutting the regulator so it pulse the steam to get to the lubricator. Once I tried all sorts, I tried opening the regulator so wide I was worried it was going to fly out the back and screw it.
The large boat models are highly detailed. And you can see the fine quality of this anchor winch. And this boat model has got some working electronics to spice it up. One of the older model engineers at the exhibition. Meccano is a model engineering system that many grew up with, and here's an impressive display of scale model fire engines, all made out of Meccano. All of these fire engines are in a scale of 1 to 12. Here's some very impressive small scale modelling, and you can see the size of it compared to a finger.
That's what we drew show. Hello, Amanda.
Here's another impressive display from the Chelmsford Society of Model Engineers, and there's some big stuff. A large model association means what it says. Try putting that in a display case. This is a huge 10¼ inch gauge locomotive.
Yeah, so I will respond to it.
I did check, but this is not apparently one of the model engineering exhibits.
Porsche Peugeot drive chain.
This is 00 gauge live steam. Amazing that you get a steam engine in such a small scale.
When I transport it, it's in 4 seconds. So this is as originally launched. And if you look closely, you'll see the Bofors anti-aircraft guns are actually panel pins.
I thought about writing an article, but I never got around to doing enough drawings for it. Oh, absolutely, yeah.
He said, this thing with 2 wheels, scoop.
Oh yeah.
And you push the handle through and you go, and you move the handle.